Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more comparative reviews. In this video, we're diving into a head-to-head comparison of HubSpot and Monday.com, two robust platforms offering collaborative CRM and workflow solutions. Links to both products are available in the description below. Both platforms empower businesses to optimize processes, boost team collaboration, and enhance productivity, but which one is the perfect match for your specific needs? Let's start with HubSpot. Primarily a CRM platform, HubSpot provides a comprehensive suite of marketing, sales, and customer service tools. HubSpot CRM offers a free tier to get started, with paid options available as your business expands. It's an excellent choice for teams seeking an all-in-one solution for managing contacts, tracking sales pipelines, executing marketing campaigns, and delivering exceptional customer service. Workflows and automation are seamlessly integrated, enabling users to automate repetitive tasks, personalize communications, and effectively nurture leads. HubSpot's built-in analytics provide valuable insights into campaign performance, sales monitoring, and real-time strategy adjustments. Now, let's turn to Monday.com. This highly adaptable platform excels as a project management tool that also functions as a CRM, boasting impressive collaboration features. Teams can manage not only customer relationships but also projects, tasks, and workflows in a visually appealing and intuitive manner. Monday.com's workflow customization is truly remarkable, allowing users to create boards tailored to their specific processes across sales, marketing, and customer service. The platform truly shines in the realm of team collaboration, providing real-time updates, file sharing, and integrated communication tools. Monday.com is an ideal solution for teams requiring a comprehensive platform for both project management and CRM functionalities. So, how do you choose between these two powerful platforms? If you require a dedicated CRM with integrated marketing and sales tools, HubSpot is the clear winner. It's particularly beneficial for growing businesses prioritizing customer relationships and marketing automation. However, if your primary focus is team collaboration, highly customizable workflows, and robust project management, Monday.com is likely the better fit, offering greater flexibility for managing diverse aspects of your business. Both platforms offer excellent features, but understanding your team's specific requirements is crucial for making the informed decision. Explore both options further by clicking the links in the description below.